In this video, we will look at a lesson out of classroom mathematics. And we're busy with chapter 11, construction of geometric figures. And today we will look at constructing triangles. So the first example, we're going to look at constructing a triangle when we're given 3 sides. So the example says that construct triangle ABC with AB equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 3 centimeters, and CV equal to 7 centimeters. So the first thing we'd want to do is to draw a rough sketch, because a rough sketch gives us a basic idea of what lies where, and when we draw the triangle. So the first thing we want to do is, using a ruler, we draw a line which is longer than 5 centimeter and mark a point A on the line. Then, using a pair of compasses, measure a length of 5 centimeters on a ruler. Placing the compass point at A, draw an arc which cuts the line at point B so that AB is 5 centimeters. Then, using a pair of compasses, measure a length of 3 centimeters on a ruler and place the compass point at A and draw an arc. Now, using a pair of compasses, measure a length of 7 centimeters on a ruler. Then place the compass point at B and draw an arc which cuts the first arc at point C. Then, using a ruler, join points A, B, and C. Okay, then for example 2, now constructing a triangle when we're given a length of 2 sides and the included angle. This example says draw a triangle ABC with AB equal to 50 millimeters, AC 40 millimeters, and angle A 60 degrees. First thing, once again, we draw a rough sketch to get a basic idea of which sides and angles lies where. Then, to start off, we use a ruler and draw a line which is longer than 50 millimeters and mark a point A on the line. Then, using a pair of compasses, measure length of 50 millimeters on a ruler. Placing the compass point at point A, draw an arc which cuts the line at point B so that AB is 50 millimeters. Then, at point A, construct an angle of 60 degrees. Then, using a pair of compasses, measure a length of 40 millimeters on a ruler. Placing the compass point at A, draw an arc which cuts the new arm formed by the 60-degree angle at point C. And then we draw BC. Then for the final example, example 3, now we're going to look at how to construct a triangle when we're given the length of 2 sides and a non-included angle. So this example says draw triangle PQR with PQ equals 70 millimeters, RQ equals 50 millimeters, and angle P equal to 40 degrees. And once again, we draw a rough sketch, and then we start. Using a ruler, draw a line which is longer than 70 millimeters and mark a point P on the line. Then using a pair of compasses, measure a length of 70 millimeters on a ruler. Then placing the compass point at point P, draw an arc which cuts the line at point Q so that PQ is 70 millimeters. Then at point P, measure an angle of 40 degrees using a protractor. Now using a pair of compasses, measure a length of 50 millimeters on a ruler. Placing the compass point at Q, draw an arc which cuts the line formed by the 40 degree angle at point R. And notice that there are two possible points, and we call them R1 and R2. Then we draw R1Q and R2Q to obtain two possible triangles. So that was it for this lesson. You can now do exercise 11.2.